The official release of Divi 5 is scheduled for February 26th. Divi 5 has been available for some time. In fact, we recommend it for building new websites, and 40% of our customers are already choosing it. That's no surprise because it's better than Divi 4 in every way, and once you get used to it, it's hard to go back. Some third-party plugins have yet to add support, but their Divi 5 updates are beginning to arrive. We've kept Divi 5 in beta for an extended period, giving creators more time to make their plugins compatible and allowing our community to adopt it at their own pace. Meanwhile, we've been continually improving it, adding new features every week or two. Our message has been simple. You can choose Divi 4 or Divi 5, whichever works best for you. But the time has come to make it official, and we will be removing the beta label on February 26th. If you are already using Divi 5, nothing will change. If you haven't tested Divi 5 yet, you have some time to jump in and familiarize yourself with the new interface and dozens of new features. To make the transition as stress-free as possible, we will continue to support Divi 4 for at least an additional 6 months after the official release of Divi 5. You will have the option to opt in to Divi 5 or stay on the Divi 4 update path and continue to receive critical security and compatibility updates. After the grace period, the update paths for Divi websites will converge and Divi 4 websites will receive the Divi 5 update notification. Give Divi 5 a try today. There is so much to explore, and our rate of innovation will only speed up once we move past the beta phase. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because it's the main way we communicate with you, and it's the best way to learn about new features. This is going to be a super exciting year for Divi users, so stay tuned, and I'll see you soon for another Divi 5 feature announcement, which I promise is right around the corner.